Hello everyone, my name is Misha Tracy Edison, grade 1 student at Summerhill School. In this video, you're gonna learn how to solve word problems. Word problem is like a mystery or a short story that has hidden numbers inside. And as a math detective, it's your job to find that hidden number. Are you ready to solve one? Let's go! My baby brother Mateo has 2 big toy dinosaurs and 6 small toy dinosaurs. How many toy dinosaurs does Mateo have all together? In order to solve this, first we must understand the problem and identify the numbers. There are 2 big toy dinosaurs and 6 small toy dinosaurs. 2 and 6. So what do we do with this number? That's right. We need to add. The problem is asking for the total number of toy dinosaurs. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. There has 8 toy dinosaurs. Now let's try another one. Elsa has 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She gave 3 to Anna. How many blocks does Elsa have left? What operation should we use this time? Let's think. That's right. It's subtraction. Because we see the word left. That's a clue we need to subtract. We have 8 blocks, take away 3, equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Good job! Now remember, in solving word problems, you should always identify and look for clues. In order to know what operation to use, add or subtract. Hope you learned something. If you like this video, click the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.